Hello everyone! Welcome to lesson 4 of the Math Tips and Tricks series. In today's lesson, we'll go over a simple method to square numbers between 50 and 60. Let's try a few examples. Let's say you want to square the number 58. First, you take the digit in the units place. Here, you have 8. You take 8 and you add 25 to it. 8 plus 25 gives you 33. And this will be the left-hand portion of your answer. Next, you again take the digit in the units place and you square it. 8 squared gives you 64, and this will be the right-hand portion of your answer. When you combine these two, you get 3364, which is the final solution to 58 squared. Simple, isn't it? When you do these problems, you need to keep in mind that your final solution will always contain 4 digits. So your left-hand portion and your right-hand portion should each consist of 2 digits. Now let's try 52 squared. First, you take the digit in the units place and you add 25 to it. 2 plus 25 gives you 27. And this is the left-hand portion. Next, you again take the digit in the units place and you square it. 2 squared gives you 4. But since each portion should consist of 2 digits, you add a 0 before the 4 to make it 2 digits. And this gives you your right-hand portion. When you combine these two, you get 2704, which is the final solution to 52 squared. If you like the content, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Please use the PDF linked in the description for additional practice. Before we wrap up, let's try one more example. Let's say you want to square 51. First, you take the digit in the units place and you add 25 to it. 1 plus 25 gives you 26. Next, you take the digit in the units place and square it. 1 squared is 1. But since each portion should consist of 2 digits, you add a 0 before the 1 to make it 2 digits. Next, when you combine these two, you get 2601, which is the final solution to 51 squared. In lesson 5, we'll go over a simple multiplication strategy. I look forward to meeting you in lesson 5. Thanks for watching.